Hello everyone. Today we will be dealing about solving exponential equation with basis 1, decimals, and radical. So I hope you'll be learning something from me today. So first example we have here 3/5 raised to 3x minus 1 equals 1. So as we can see, we have here basis 1, which is not equal to 3/5. So what are we going to do now? So 3/5 raised to 3x minus 1. So to make the bases equal, we have to write 3/5 raised to 0, because any number raised to 0 is just equal to 1. So as we can see here, the bases are now equal, 3/5 and 3/5 here. So we'll now be dealing with exponents. 3x minus 1 equals 0. So using the APE, or addition property of equality, this will give us 3x equals 1. So dividing both sides with 3, this will leave us with x equals 1/3. So that's how to solve exponential equations with basis 1. So let's proceed. Another example. 10 raised to 3x equals 0.01 raised to x plus 3. So a decimal here. So what we're going to do to make 0.01 equal to the base 10? So let's write 10 raised to 3x equals 0. So 0.01 is just, let's change that 1 into fraction. So this is just equal to 1/100. So copy the exponents, x plus 3. So the basis is not yet equal. So 1/100. Using the law of exponents, we can write that as 10 raised to 3x equals, the law of exponents, 1/100 is just equal to 10 raised to negative 2. So just copy the exponents, x plus 3. So we have here equal bases, 10 and 10. So let's deal about the exponents. 3x equals, so let's distribute negative 2 with x plus 3, negative 2 times x, and negative 2 times positive 3. So this will give us negative 2x minus negative 6. So combining like terms and using APE, or addition property of equality, this will give us 3x plus 2x equals negative 6, leaving us with 5x equals negative 6, and dividing 5 both sides. Divide 5 both sides. So we have here x equals negative 6/5. Very easy steps on solving exponential equations with decimals. You just have to change the decimals into fraction form, then applying the law of exponents. So as for our last example, square root of 343 equals 49 raised to x plus 1. So we have a radical here. So writing square root of 343 equals 49 raised to x plus 1. So what we're going to do now, so we have to square both sides of the equation, because squaring both sides of the equation means canceling the radical. So since square root of 343 is now squared, the radical here would be cancelled, so, and 49 here would be squared. There's no need to cancel things from 49 since there is no radical from that term. So this will leave us with 343 since the radical has been cancelled, and 49 has been squared, so this will give us 2401 raised to x plus 1. So the bases are not yet equal. So we can write this as 7 raised to 3 equals to 7 raised to 4. Since 7 raised to 3 is equal to 343 and 7 raised to 4 is just equal to 2401. So copy the exponent x plus 1. So the bases are now equal. Everything is equal. So let's deal with the exponents. So 3 equals, let's distribute 4 with x plus 1. So 4 times x and 4 times 1. We have 4x plus 4. So combining like terms or addition property of equality here. So this will give us 3 minus 4 equals 4x. So this is equal to -1 equals 4x. So let's copy here since there's no enough space down there. So -1 equals 4x, divide 4 both sides. So let's cancel 4. So here it is. X is equal to -1/4. So that's how to solve exponential equations with base as a radical. You just have to square both sides. There's another way to solve this one, but for me, it's a whole lot easier to square both sides than to cancel the radical than the other one. So that's all. That's how to solve exponential equations with bases 1, decimals, and radicals. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much.